Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Investigation. In today's episode, we'll go over 2022 AMC 10B number 23, which is also 12B number 22. Well, there's really a lot of problems overlapping from 10B and 12B this year. So, more people will be able to learn more things from it. So before we get started, I want you to, if you have any questions related to this one or not, during the entire video, if you have any concerns, please put them down in the comment section below so I can answer them. So you don't have to have this doubt on your mind, not fully understand the problem, and I try to help you as best to my ability. All right, let's get started. So this problem says, Aunt Amelia starts on the number line at 0 and cross in the following manner. For n equal to 1 to 3, Amelia chooses a time duration tn and increment xn independently and uniformly at random from the interval 0 and 1. During the nth step of the process, Amelia moves xn units in the positive direction, taking up tn minutes. Well, both of them are from the interval 0, 1. If the total elapsed time has exceeded 1 minute during the nth step, she stops at the end of the step. Otherwise, she continues with the next step, taking at most 3 steps in all. What is the probability that Amelia's position when she stops will be greater than 1? Okay, so we can do kind of like a casework. If she takes a total of 1 step, well, is that even possible? She chooses a number, or I guess t1 here, from 0 to 1, and we want that to exceed, if I can spell, exceed 1. Well, that has a possibility of 0, so that is not even possible. We eliminate that. How about we have 2 steps, and the last case would be 3 steps, right? So what is the probability that she takes 2 steps in the first place? So if she takes, let's just try to graph this. It's kind of hard to say, what is the probability? If you want to do it algebraically, but we can graph this. T1 on the horizontal axis and T2 on the vertical axis. I like to do it this way, but you can flip it. It doesn't really matter. And this square over here, this 1 by 1 square, unit square, is what we are interested in. That's all of the possibilities. And if I choose a point, x, y, such that x plus y is less than 1, then she takes 3 steps, right? Because after the second step, the time taken is less than 1 minute, so she keeps going. If it's x plus y greater than 1, then she takes 2 steps. So that's just an inequality. And the line x plus y equal to 1 is this line over here. This line is x plus y equal to 1. So this region here is when she takes 2 steps. And because she chooses the numbers uniformly and independently, that has exactly the probability, the area of that. So the area is 1/2 over the total area is 1, so the probability is going to be 1/2. So probability of taking 2 steps is 1/2, so the rest is going to be 3 steps. The probability is also 1/2, 1 minus 1/2, depending on how you look at it. Okay, so now let's think, in how many cases, if we take 2 steps, then would the Amelia actually exceed or position be greater than 1? We can draw another graph over here, but you will realize that's basically the same one as this one we already have drawn here. Just instead of the time it takes, we graph the distance. But the distance, well, x1 and x2, that's what I meant to write, x1 and x2. But the distance, well, she is uniformly choosing from 0 to 1 as well. And if we want the cases where x plus y is greater than 1. So similarly, we can draw a line through here, and this is the case we wanted, and that has a probability of 1/2. So times 1/2, in this case, there's a total of 1/4 probability that she both takes 2 steps and her x-coordinate is greater than 1. How about 3 steps? It's a little bit more complicated, but it's just 3 steps, right? We can handle a 3D graph. So we kind of use this geometric opportunity here to kind of visualize this probability to make it easier to calculate. x1, x2, x3 from 0 to 1. All right, so what is the probability that the x-coordinate is greater than 1? That is x plus y plus z when this is greater than 1, then it exceeds 1, right? So what we are interested here is this cube over here. We're not drawing like everything, just so that this kind of looks neat enough. And this x plus y plus z is equal to 1. The plane looks like this. So all of these area behind this, that is going to be the area where x plus y plus z is less than 1, and the area that I did not shade in is the area we're interested in. But this area is kind of hard to calculate, so we can do kind of like a complementary counting, if you will. We can do 1 minus the green area. So that is 1 minus, that's just a pyramid. So we have a base area of 1/2 and a height of 1. So 1/2 times 1, don't forget to multiply by 1/3 because it's a pyramid. And that is going to be 1 minus 1/6 or 5/6 probability that if she takes 5 steps, then she will be able to exceed 1 or 5/6. That is going to be a probability of 5/12. And we can just add up these two probabilities. That gives us 12, or 3 plus 5 over 12, or 8/12, which can be simplified to 2/3. And that is our answer choice C. And that will be it for this episode of Investigation, and I hope to catch you in the next one. By the way, if you have any questions related to this question or not, please put them in the comment section below and I will be sure to answer them. And that will be it for today, and I hope to catch you in the next one. See you.